Hi guys, and welcome to my updated 2023 copy trading tutorial over on Bybit. This is an updated version from the initial tutorial I made when Bybit launched their copy trading feature. It was almost a year ago now, and I've learned so much in that time being a master trader myself and using the copy trading feature to copy other master trainers. And more importantly, Bybit's copy trading platform has become so good. It's come leaps and bounds since then. Lots more new features, lots more functionality, and just better to use in general. So chapters are down below, guys. Feel free to rewatch, skip ahead, skip back, whatever you need to do. This video is going to teach you how to use the platform effectively, how to find the best traders, the best settings as well, which is super important. And there's a bit of an exclusive bonus as well where you can actually unlock full traders. So more about that later, but as a little snippet, sneak peek, some of the best traders on here are always full. I'm going to show you how to unlock them later in this video. Without any further delay, hit the like button, guys. If you like crypto tutorials and technical analysis, make sure you subscribe and have the bell turned on, and let's get straight into this one. So first up, getting started with the Bybit copy trading platform. Of course, you do need a Bybit account, and you may already have a Bybit account, and if so, you'll know exactly how good of a trading platform Bybit is beyond the copy trading for spot, for derivatives, even for the finance options where you can get a Bybit card, loans, etc. It's just a really good crypto trading platform. Whether you have a Bybit account or not, I do heavily recommend to you to sign up for an additional or brand new Bybit account. Why? Well, yes, first of all, it does benefit me. I earn a commission when you sign up. You too will earn a commission. But the main reason I suggest to get a brand new Bybit account, if this is the case where you have Bybit already, you will actually be able to easily manage the copy trading. It's best to do copy trading on one account and save your trading for another account. Just much easier to manage. That's what I do. But the other benefit is, of course, you get this up to $30,000 bonus with a new account. You get 0 fees for a month with a new account. And most importantly, when you sign up with a Bybit account using our affiliated link, you actually will be able to unlock the full traders, like I mentioned earlier. There will be more about unlocking full traders later in the video, but you do need an affiliated account to unlock the full traders. So guys, let's move on to the next step of the video. So once set up, signed up for Bybit, you will need to deposit crypto in order to use the copy trading feature. So you simply go to assets. Now I'm actually using what's known as a unified trading account, but it will be very similar if you're not using a UTA Bybit account. By the way, I do recommend using a unified trading account. It makes trading much easier across copy trading, derivatives, and spot. But if you don't, it's very simple to get started, to get depositing. You basically just need to go to deposit, and whether that's in your funding account or your spot account or your inverse derivatives account, you press deposit, and you will need USDT. If you don't have USDT already, you can deposit any cryptocurrency to Bybit and then convert it into USDT super easily and almost for free. The fees are minimal, and just make sure that when you are depositing, you are using the right cryptocurrency. So for example, if you had XRP, do make sure that you're using the XRP wallet, acknowledge, and then you can simply deposit the desired cryptocurrency. Once you've done that, like I said, you can easily convert it. For example, I've got some Polkadot here, for example. I could just go convert, and I could go Polkadot to USDT, and I could easily convert it if I wanted to, and then you can use that for copy trading. Really easy. So now that's all done, it comes down to picking the best master traders to follow, and this is one of Bybit's new features in terms of the copy trading functionality that they didn't have when I first made a tutorial. You can search master traders by almost anything. So you've got the top master traders, and this would be by ROI. Bear in mind, it is only on the last 7 days, so you may not be the best medium long-term trader to get into this chart, albeit it is hard to get into that chart. So just be cautious of that. You really want to use the filters to find the best copy traders out there. So then you've got traders with highest profit for followers. Again, that doesn't always indicate that they're going to be the best lead trader medium to long term, but obviously they're going to be better than most. So to really dive deeper into it, to find the best traders, you can go view more, and you can use the filters to really find what you're looking for. You'll notice that you can search available master traders, and you'll also notice a lot of the good traders are indeed full, like I mentioned. So just to quickly hover on that, like I said, if you do have an affiliated Bybit account of ours, you can access these full traders. To do that, what you simply need to do is click on the form. This form is going to bring you to this page, and you simply tell us your UID, the master trader or traders you want to follow, your email, Telegram if you have it, and we will email you back providing that you're an affiliated account with a special link to unlock that full trader. Yeah, simple as that. That's how it works. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're not going to copy someone that's full. We need to find someone that we can follow. So maybe we want to search, for example, by 7-day win rate and also by the 7-day ROI. And before you just go and blindly copy someone, you can do your research by clicking on their profiles as well. For example, let's look at this guy, Wee. If you click on their profile, you can see a lot more about how they trade and what kind of trader they are. You can look at their 7-day ROI, 30 days, so maybe that's not the best trader, but it really gives you insight into how they're trading, what they're trading, their trading history. You can see the statistics of the copy trades, not much data there. So it really gives you a good insight. So that trader's maybe not that great. Maybe we can look, for example, at Puzzle 6 as a good example to use. Not so good. Again, recent liquidations. The 30-day ROI is positive, however, but there's recent liquidations, so maybe not the best person to follow. So we continue our search, and this is just an example. You can skip through to the next step of the video when we've found someone, but maybe this guy's good. Boguf, or whatever you want to call it, looks to me like this is quite a good trader to follow. Followers are in profit. He's in profit. Strong 7-day ROI, strong 30-day ROI. So let's use this person as an example. Just before I press copy and go to the next start of the video, just to tell you, if you click on subscribe, if you have the Bybit app downloaded on your phone, you will get their trade notifications as well. So that's another cool feature. So now we're going to talk about the different modes available when you copy a master trader on Bybit, and I'm going to talk to you about the best settings that I have experienced when copying other master traders, and knowing as a master trader when people copy me, how can they get the best results? What do I mean by that? Well, let me show you in this example of my account here. Now you can see that my 7-day ROI is 11%, 30 days, 68%, 90 days. So you can see me, I am personally a profitable trader. I've made over $5,000 in profit. However, my followers, unfortunately, and this is spread out across hundreds of people. No one's lost 35,000. That could be over 1,000 people. But the point is, the followers overall have lost money. And this is an unfortunate situation with copy trading, and the reason that is because people haven't used very good settings that they've been given the choice of when copying me. And that's actually why I did create this video. I'll link it up above, how to set your copy trade settings for huge profit, but I will be covering it in this video briefly as well. This is just more of a deep dive into the copy trading features. So settings and the modes are super duper important. Right, so first up, out of the two modes, smart copy and advanced copy mode, we're going to look at smart copy mode. Smart copy mode is a bit more automatic. You don't have to put in too much in terms of your own criteria. Where it says funds to copy, this is, and it says here, this is the total amount you will invest in copying this master trader. So this is the total amount. So for example, if I put $10 US, that's going to be the total amount you can copy. I think it's $50 minimum. Yes, it is. So $50 is the minimum that you can copy trade someone as a total. So next up, the copy stop loss. Now this is a safety feature and a risk feature that Bybit allow you to have. I don't necessarily always recommend to use this feature. If you are copying a master trader and you're confident in how they trade, sometimes it can be detrimental to have a stop loss because it could come before a master trader is actually able to turn your trade into profit. But this does allow you to set a maximum that you are not prepared to lose anymore. So if you, for example, set $300, that's going to mean that you will not exceed any more beyond that. And when you put in an amount, you have two options. You can exit immediately at the current price or continue copying the price. If you are going to use the copy trading stop loss feature, I recommend to continue copying the trader until the position's closed, because quite often master traders will dollar cost average into positions and they will bring the trade back into profit in order to have good withstanding on the platform. Very rarely a copy trader will actually close their position in a loss. So I recommend either not having copy stop loss, but having a maximum amount here that you're happy to trade in total. And I'll show you more how to manage your risk on the next part. But if you are going to have a copy stop loss, I would suggest to use the continue copying trader until the positions are closed. So that brings us on to the Bybit copy guard. Now, this basically, it says followers will wait to copy an order at the optimal price if needed. I would suggest to use this because that way you're going to get in at a better price and there won't be so much slippage. So a good idea to use this if you are using the spot copy mode. So that brings us on to the more settings. This allows you to put in a maximum position margin per contract. So whereas above, this is the total that you're prepared for this trader to trade for you. This allows you on a per trade basis. You can set the maximum position margin per contract and a daily position limit as well. Below, you have stop loss ratio per order percentages. I don't recommend using these. Quite frankly, it just gets in the way of opening positions and it's a little bit over-engineered for what you need if you're using the smart copy trade mode anyway. So I wouldn't recommend to use that personally. But if you want to, you can see stop loss ratio and take profit ratio, max slippage per order. To be honest, if you are copying a master trader because you entrust that they're a better trader than you, and also because of their track record, their history, really, I wouldn't be using these functions personally. But of course, they're there to use as an addition if you so wish. If you're happy with all these, you can press I have read and agreed and copy now. But before that, let's look at the advanced copy trade mode. So here we have the settings for the advanced copy mode. So again, like with smart copy mode, the funds to copy, that's the total amount you're willing to invest in that master trader. And you have the option to put in the copy stop loss. When you select next, however, the difference is mainly in the leverage settings. So here you have the fixed margin. Fixed margin, you may set a fixed margin for each order, whereas you can't do that on the smart copy trade feature. So for example, you set 100 USDT, that's the margin for each copy order is 100 USDT. Leverage settings, I always recommend to follow the trader's leverage. If you select fixed leverage or custom leverage, you have the chance of being liquidated, particularly if you're going over kind of 3 or 4x. Always good to follow the trader's leverage, in my opinion. And that for me are the best settings as far as these first settings. But when you scroll down, you actually have some more settings. So you have position margin per contract, you have daily position limit, and again, I wouldn't get too involved with the stop loss ratios and the slippage. I wouldn't get too involved with that. And the great thing about advanced copy mode, you have the ability to switch on and off different contracts. But again, if you're entrusting this copy trader because of their history, their track record, I would be willing to confirm all the contracts that they trade because they clearly know what they are doing. And you can set your risk otherwise using the fixed margin and the leverage. So when you're happy again, select you've read and you can copy now. So now I'm copying this particular trader. If I want to uncopy them, unfollow them anytime, I can just cancel. Like I said, I am subscribed, so I will get the trade signals on the Bybit app. But yeah, you can simply cancel and you have options. When you cancel, you can exit immediately at the current market price. So you can check to see if the positions are in favor or not. Or if you can choose to continue copying the trader until the positions are closed as well, which I would actually recommend. So I don't have any positions open because I just copied him and uncopied him. So I'm going to press confirm at that option, and that's exactly how it works. Very, very easy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with a friend or within your communities. Remember, there's links down below to get huge bonuses and discounted fees. There is a form there as well if you want to unlock a full trader. Click on the form and let us know the trader that you want to follow. It is for affiliate accounts only, like I mentioned. Also guys, I have other tutorials. You can check them out in the tutorials playlist. I'll put a link down below. Thanks so much. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Take care. Bye bye.